How to see what someone likes on Insta. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see what someone likes on Insta. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. Now, Instagram previously had a feature that allowed you to see what the person you follow has liked on Insta, but now that feature is long gone. Now what you can do is you can simply stalk the person that you want and just go to their followings, and after you're on their followings you can see whatever they have been following, and under there you will be able to see what they have liked. Now you can stalk that very profile, and if they have liked this picture, they will just it will just show here that the post is liked by dash dash, and you can see who liked that. Now if you can't see that option there, the reason can be that the person has turned off their activity status. Now you can turn off your activity status too. Simply go to your profile, tap on the three lines, and go to your activity, and under there you will be able to turn it off. If you don't find it, just go to your search bar again and search for show activity status and simply turn this off. And that is how you can see what someone likes on Insta, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.